Welcome to our short tutorial on integration ONLYOFFICE Docs with Liferay DXP. Make sure you have the latest versions of both solutions in the official connector. If something is missing, follow links in the description to this video. The easiest way to install the ONLYOFFICE connector for Liferay is the App Manager. Navigate to Control Panel, System, App Manager. Then, click Options and the Upload button. In the open window, choose the ONLYOFFICE application file. Now configure the integration. Go to Control Panel, Configuration, System Settings. In the Platform section, go to the Connectors category and select ONLYOFFICE. Specify the URL address where ONLYOFFICE Docs is located. Enter the secret key used to sign the data. After configuration, you can navigate to the Documents and Media section and see the option Edit in ONLYOFFICE next to Office file types. Also, you can create a new document and fill it with content. ONLYOFFICE Docs and Liferay are successfully integrated. Follow us on YouTube to stay informed with other integration tutorials.